All right, I got a new lizard, and this one is gorgeous. Soft, fuzzy. Oh, there he is. Oh my goodness. Look at that beautiful lizard. He's so pretty. He better be for $400. What are you doing, buddy, huh? Yeah. Come here. Come here, you little critter. Yeah, good boy. Or good girl. See, there's one thing in the middle there, right between his legs, her legs. If it has one bump, it's a girl. If it has two bumps, it's a boy. The boys have two penises. That's kind of weird, but they do. And there's even evidence that they can have one penis damaged and still reproduce. What a beautiful girl. She is just beautiful. She's a het, zero, hypo, translucent. See her beautiful black eyes, white toenails, white skin, clear skin. She is lovely. Anyway, say hello, peeps. Hello, my friends out there in Ricky Land. Yeah. Don't forget to like me and subscribe and show me to your friends by sharing. And leave comments about how beautiful I am. Thanks, everyone. This is a bearded dragon female.